Hi, I'm Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Welcome to another walking tour video. One of the highlights of the Old Town is the stunning Notre Dame Blanc Church. This church is located in the center of the Old Town, and it's one of the most popular tourist attractions in Wanles-Pins. The church's Gothic architecture and stunning stained glass windows are a sight to behold. Moving further along the coast, we come across the stunning Cap d'Antibes. This scenic headland is known for its beautiful beaches, rocky coves, and stunning views of the Mediterranean. Here you can take a leisurely stroll, hike along the coastal path, or simply relax and soak up the stunning views. Finally, we end our walking tour at the Jardin Botanique de la Ville Thuret. This beautiful botanical garden is located in the heart of Wanles-Pins, and it's known for its stunning collection of exotic plants and flowers. The garden also offers breathtaking views of the Mediterranean, making it the perfect spot to relax and unwind. That's all for today's walking tour of Wanles-Pins in Antibes, France. I hope you enjoyed exploring this beautiful town with me. Don't forget to like this video, write a comment below, and subscribe to my channel for more walking tour videos from around the world.
Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Bye!